Hi. So let's begin. Today's Wednesday. I took three trades today, and I made profit, but I messed up. So yesterday was a $30 losing day, and today I yesterday if I would have closed, if you I think you haven't seen my yesterday's video. I just uploaded it. Yesterday my equity was 10,600, and if I would have closed and I would have let the trades I took today running, my challenge would be passed right now. The eval would be passed. Oh man. Okay. Well, that was the Fed. Okay, yeah. There was a Fed news today. Fed interest rate. And if you look at my Telegram, I have a feeling GU might continue up, but I'm waiting for a second week at the support. Right? So I posted this morning, and when you look at GU now, booyah! Second week at support, and boom! Just saying, feels good to be right. I couldn't have taken this trade anyway because, first of all, I wasn't behind my computer, and second of all, it was not. I wouldn't have gotten an entry here. But yeah, Fed interest rate news came out at 9, so that was the reason. But yeah, I had a feeling I told you. This has moved. Divergence, support, 2 weeks. But yeah, so yesterday, 10,600. And today I took 3 trades. Started off with, I'll show you my terminal. That didn't close in stop loss, just saying. So this is my terminal. My terminal. So these are the trades that closed today. NZD took it because there was a support here, and I saw divergence here. And if I would have seen this here at 6 o'clock, I was asleep I was asleep at 6 o'clock. If I had seen it then, like 30 pips stop, this would have been an easy winner, right? 1-1. This would have been an easy winner. But I took it later when I went to work at 8. It started to go into profit, but then I saw this downward channel, and I was looking at CHF JPY and CAD JPY. Both of them had pretty clear resistance levels, and after I saw this wick here and this downward movement, I decided to close my NZD JPY trade and enter these trades. and enter these trades. Um, and I closed. Well, this is how originally my trade looked like. I wanted to get 124 out of this trade because I closed NZDJPY around here. So this was like $30, $30 loss, $30 loss. So I wanted to get $100 profit, plus I wanted to erase this loss, right? So I wanted to get 120 something out of this trade. But then I was looking at the price action and I was thinking, like, man, after beating myself up again yesterday, like, why didn't I close the CHF JPY trade that I let run to stop loss, right, from here to here? I entered here. So this is what, if you haven't seen my yesterday's video, I was in a trade like this, and I was in profit for like 200 something, right? So, but I was thinking, easy winner, this is gonna go here. I'm gonna make 300, 400 bucks. I'm gonna pass the challenge with 1 day, right? So I let this winning trade run to stop loss, and after beating myself up about it yesterday, yelling at myself and talking myself through why I did it and why I'm deviating from my strategy again, and all that mentality mindset shift, I still did the same thing today. I still wanted to get like 250 out of it, and this would have worked. This would have worked. This would have easily worked. This would have gone here, even actually like 380. So this would have worked. This would have been an amazing trade. So I would have had like 10,700 with this trade, and if I had left this one open, the challenge would be passed right now. But all is good. I made profit today. But anyway, I wanted to get 124 out of it, and before price came here, this would have been the, take profit hit, right? At at that time, my take profit was here, and when I saw this big wick here, I freaked out. I placed my stop loss. Sorry, stop loss. Take profit back here, and I was paralyzed. I couldn't work. I couldn't work. I was just staring at the charts. I was, thinking myself again, why did I do this again and again and again and again? And I was paralyzed, and I couldn't function. And finally, when the price came back in this candle here to like 115, I think, I closed this trade. And right after I closed this trade, I was looking at CHF JPY. Well, I was in this trade too, and all these wicks here, I was thinking maybe it's gonna bounce from here, and I didn't want this trade to go into drawdown. And this is cool. Check this out. This is cool. Where is it? Right. So um, this is a 1 minute chart, right? So I closed this trade here. Here I closed this trade. So let's say here, and 1 minute after, it crashed. Okay, but 1 minute was in between, and then after 2 minutes it crashed. It crashed, and it would have hit my take profit. And the funny thing is, I don't even know why I closed this trade. Well, I know the reason why I closed this trade, but I could have easily placed a break-even stop because I was like $8 in profit, something. Yeah, so $8, not a huge profit amount to be locking my trade in, and I missed out on $100. Why I decided to close this trade what, rather than placing a break-even stop, I don't know. I do know that I didn't want this trade to go into drawdown, so but why did I close? I don't know. It's a dumb decision. Could have placed a break-even stop. This would have fallen into take profit, and I would have been $500 in profit, so 10,500. But yeah, but hey, I made profit today, so I made $100. That's that's good. That's it. That's all I need actually, a day. $100 a day, just trading while working. I was driving 8 hours yesterday, or 8 or 9, and I think I made like 75, 85, something like that. So slow day, and I think I might be eligible for a extension. I just have to contact my Forex Funds because they didn't specify a profit percentage or profit amount that your account needs to be in profit for in order to be eligible for a extension. So I still need like 4 winning trades, and like 4 days basically. I need 4 days, 4 or 5 days, and I'm so cautious right now actually that that's hurting my trading because the CHF JPY is a perfect example, right? The price didn't even wick above; it just dropped. So this would have been an easily hit my stop, break even, take profit, and yeah. And if I weren't that afraid to, lose trades, this trade would have been a massive winner. This would have been a massive winner. So 1 to 4, but I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna deviate from my trading strategy again because I've had 2 consecutive days when I've. Well, the short answer is my life is pretty stressful. I'm pretty stuck financially and blah blah blah. You've all heard my sad sob story, right? So um, that the one-to-one strategy is like the perfect mix of, it's really simple, it's really straightforward, and really easy to follow. It doesn't take much time, and it's um, it's something I'm gonna develop later. Like close half at 1 and then let the trade win run and all that. But yeah, I finally took a subscription on TradingView, so the strategy video is coming probably on probably on Sunday, or maybe tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, this is it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, trade safe.